So my name is Jake. I'm the production manager here at TigerTough in Vesta, Minnesota. I've worked here since June 5th of 2023. I came here because there was just so many opportunities for growth. The leadership is awesome. They want you to succeed. They set you up for success. So on a day-to-day basis, usually what I'll do is I'll make sure that I oversee the process from the time the order comes to me to get cut on the machine to the time it goes out the door. I just oversee that process and I just provide leadership for the individuals that I work with. I love the atmosphere. I love being able to come and work with people that are like-minded. The leadership does a very good job of helping me be better every day. And ultimately, first and foremost, I love making customers happy. They're paying for a great product and I get the opportunity to provide that. If you're looking for an atmosphere that is mission-driven and you want to succeed, you want to be able to grow in your career and be rewarded for it, I would say this is the first place I would go to if I was looking for a position. The ideal coworker or employee for me is somebody that I can collaborate with on a day-to-day. They're open-minded, I can talk to them. We can have a relationship where we're working together for a common goal. And neither one of us are trying to get above one another. We're working together and we're trying to make things happen. When I started here, I obviously didn't know a lot about the system, so it took me a while to kind of figure out what the best way to do things was. And so one of the things that I did that was a little bit unusual when I was trying to kind of make the process go a little bit better is I changed the way the sewing process looked, I changed the way the cutting process looked as far as the physical layout. And I think there was maybe some skepticism on whether it was going to work even from myself, but it ended up actually being a good attribute. It worked out well, and it was something that I kind of had to do through trial and error. I didn't know if it was going to work, but it ended up working out. So I think the first time that I was really excited about working here was a day that we had a really big day in production. Like I said, I was kind of thrown into a process that I didn't know a lot about, and when I finally got to see that process work, and I got to see the coworkers that I worked with excited about their jobs and excited about being here, and hearing how important our business was to the customers and their experience, I really started to realize this is where I belong.